Sawadee krab. Hi, I'm Thongchai Wongsawan, the owner of this racing track. Also, I'm the president of the FMST, the Federation of Motorsport Club of Thailand, recognized by the FIM, Federation International Motorcyclists. We are coming to this track for testing by the professional tester. The purpose of testing to make sure the quality meet international standards. So I wish them luck and happy testing.
Hello, I'm Jochen Nawatinso. My specialization is race car vehicle dynamics. For the next 3 days, my team and I will conduct track tests on 6 models from 5 brands of tires. All of them are of the same size, that is 205/55R16. For consistency, we will use the same car and the same driver. To be free from human judgment, we will use GPS-based data acquisition system. The test result will be digitized for analysis. The car will be run through 3 stations and will also run laps around the track. The slalom station is a good indication of directional response. Braking station is a good indication of emergency safety margin. The cornering station is good indication of cornering grips. Then, the track lapping is a good indication of general handling characteristics of different tires on the same car. By the way, we will have 1 full day of rain simulation by sprinkler system.
From real-time samplings of testing data, our software reproduces all these traces of performance. By moving along the test track, the crosshair would read off exact numerical values. The red trace shows the car speed. The crosshair reads off the exact speed in miles per hour. The blue trace shows lateral g-force. The crosshair reads off the exact g values. Slalom test. 5 pylons for slalom course were lined up at 50 feet apart along the middle of the straight. Each brand of tires was driven at the limits by the same test driver for 6 to 7 attempts. The base of lateral g-force readings of each brand was taken as its representative. Brake test. The same stretch of 200 feet was chosen as brake test station, dry and wet. Braking from 35 miles an hour was chosen to represent city speed. Braking from 54 miles an hour was chosen to represent rural speed. Each brand of tires was braked at the limits of ABS by the same test driver for 6 to 7 attempts. Test of cornering force. A U-turn that allowed approximately 35 miles an hour forward speed was chosen to monitor cornering g-force readings of each brand of tires. Each brand of tires was driven at the limit by the same test driver for 6 to 7 attempts. The base of lateral g-force readings of each brand was taken as its representative. Lapping test. Each brand of tires was driven at the limits by the same test driver for 6 to 7 laps around a track of 3,911 feet in length. The best 3 laps on each brand were taken as its representative. The averages of the best 3 lap times were shown on the fifth column. Road noise test. All the tires were driven around many laps of 3,911 feet in length. Noise level meter were held by the front passenger in front of his chest. Road noises at 35 miles an hour and 54 miles an hour were measured along the same stretch on the straight. Road noises at maximum cornering were measured while the tires were howling at the same U-turn corner.
Good.